The best part about airdrops is that you don't need to invest anything upfront. You don't need to basically invest any money upfront. You don't need to invest any money at all. You simply have to just create your account and then receive your airdrops. So that's basically how airdrops work. So in this video today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin Black, which is a new project that was launched back at the beginning of this year, 2019. So I've been seeing some progress with it. I've been seeing how well the project is going. So I decided to make a video to share more about this so that anyone who is interested can actually join in on this, so that if it ever becomes a big project, then you know that you have secured your own Bitcoin Black coins, which will be distributed for free. I don't know when they're going to actually start distributing them, but all you need to do to get this, to stand in line to get these tokens or this cryptocurrency, is simply give in your email, and then that's it. And then create your wallet, obviously, so where they will actually send you your coins. So I'm going to be taking you step by step through this process, explaining what Bitcoin Black is, and how you can get started. So if you're new to this channel, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video when I release one. So in this video, as I said, Bitcoin Black, new airdrop that is being distributed. So this project, basically, their aim is to create a coin that is stronger than Bitcoin. So with that much anticipation, with that much, such a high goal, you can be sure that this coin is actually meant to do great things, right? It's meant to go really high, and at least we can expect something out of this project. So this is the reason why I'm actually sharing this with you. And as I said at the beginning of this video, this is totally for free. You don't have to pay for anything. So if it doesn't come out to work out great, you don't have to worry about anything, because you're not going to put in any money in this. Only your email, so that you are able to be notified when any changes are made. So that's basically the only reason why you need to put in your email here. So they are promising 3,600 free coins of this Bitcoin Black, and the estimated value is currently $36 US. That's based on the value that they're anticipating that Bitcoin Black will be at when it's finally launched. So right now they're working on this. They're working on this, on having it listed on Binance, which is one of the biggest exchanges out there for cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency community. So Binance, that's where they're basically waiting to have it listed for the first time. So as it grows, obviously it will be distributed on different exchanges. So we are waiting for that to happen once the distribution have obviously started, right? So that's when you'll be able to transfer your coins and so forth. So recently, they sent me an email, an update on this. So this was the BetaNet wallet. So what this is exactly is they've basically developed a BetaNet desktop wallet for Windows, Linux, and MacBook. So basically, all you have to do is download this wallets and then test them out. So for testing them out, they're sending you 100 beta coins. I actually received mine. I think I'm gonna leave a screenshot or something like that on this video. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a screenshot of my coins that I actually earned recently. So basically, as I said, you simply join, and then once you join with your email, and then you come to this, they're gonna send you this, or if they don't send you, just come here to wallets, and then you download any of these which are familiar for you. But right now, the only problem is that these are available for these 3 devices, so you don't have for mobile wallet yet. It's coming soon, so once it's out, I think I'll do another video for you guys. So otherwise, just leave your email on this platform. As I said, when you join, they will notify you when their wallets are out, as well as the online web wallet is also going to be launched very soon. So just join and leave your email there, then they will notify you so that you'll be able to get your coins for free, right? That's if you don't have access to a laptop, MacBook, or Linux device. So anyways, once you are here, what you want to do is download this, and then once you download it, you want to run it and then get your receiving address. So when you get your receiving address, you want to come back here and then receive your airdrops, right? Or there's a link that's going to be sent to you, and then once you get that link, you basically click on it, and then come to this website again, and you put it on, and then you are good to go. So you receive your 100 beta coins in your wallet instantly, basically same day, within the same hour, just a few minutes apart. Okay, so you can give it up to an hour at least for it to reflect on your account. And then once you receive them, you just hold them until you are able to transfer them and then be able to sell them, right, on other exchanges. So that's basically how it works. So you receive your airdrops, and also just, as I said, leave your email so that you are in the draw to get that 36 you're in that draw to get 36 Bitcoin Black coins when they start distributing them. That's actually the main airdrop. The 100 coins that you're getting, they're basically just for you to test out their new exchange. So you are being paid to test the software. Basically, that's what is going on, right? You're being paid to test the software. So as you can see, you join the airdrop by simply just leaving your email right here. So once you put your email, you basically get, they'll notify you when the airdrop starts distributing, and then you'll be able to put in your receiving address once again, and then you'll be able to receive 30,600 Bitcoin Black coins, which you'll be able to transact into $36 value, even more, depending on when the value of that coin when it actually launches, right? So nothing to lose. You just basically you just put it in and then you forget about it and just wait for announcements to come, right? So as you can see, there's members count. There's over 100K members on this platform right now. The roadmap, you can go through it, and okay, let's just quickly open it right now. You can go through it on your own and just see what is going on, and then you can go through the white paper. It's always a good thing to go through those, because that's basically the whole line out of the project, of what's they're actually what's the main purpose of their coin, of their cryptocurrency. So there's a team if you want to check out who is behind this project and so forth. And then the support, if you got any questions that you want to ask, or you want to do anything about that, and then master adoption, you can read through that. Social is, so that's their links if you want to follow them on Facebook, Instagram, and so forth, so they stay up to date with any updates that they come out with. So if you can just take a look at the roadmap, if it actually opens just now, then I will take you through the what's basically the basics of what the Bitcoin Black community is all about. This is basically the roadmap for Bitcoin. If you go down just a little bit, so you'll be able to see when they actually launched their Black this project, when it actually started. So free coins delivered to members by creating wallets. So as I said, that's what it is happening right now. That's the basic phase where we're at right now. So I just received my 100 coins. As I said, I'm going to leave a screenshot somewhere on this video or on the thumbnail of this video. So that's my screenshot of my earnings for this, for the 100 free coins that they're talking about on this roadmap. So 100,000 with 10,000 members. They already surpassed this long time ago, because right now we're at 100K members with this platform. So this is basically where we at 100 members, 100,000 members. That is actually there. And then begin airdrop free coins delivered to members by creating wallets. As I said, this is basically what is happening, right? This is where we are right now. We launched the beta network. So this is what happens recently. The beta network is basically the wallets that you'll be able to download so that you get your free 100 Bitcoin Black BetaNet coins. So those are totally free. And then if we come back down here, there's a pre-sale, coin distribution, and so forth, and then continue automatic airdrop, 3,600 distribution. So a distribution of 50,000, 90,000 coin on the live network, and so forth. So yeah, it's just a quick rundown of what's going to be happening with the whole thing. So marketplace opens, Bitcoin Black card introduced, and more through IO funding. So that's basically this is the stage where you'll be able to sell your coins, the way that you have. So this is the time where you'll be able to sell your coins, exchange them for other cryptocurrencies. As I said, they're going to list it on Binance, because they're basically being votings that have been going on around. So once it's listed on Binance, that means you can trade it with any other coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these common currencies that are out there. And then once you have it in those currencies, it's much easier for you to sell it and then convert it into PayPal money, payee accounts, all those common ways that you can actually get your money to your Visa account, to your MasterCard, to your bank account, PHP coins, and so forth. So that's the whole roadmap about Bitcoin Black. So I mean, look at Bitcoin Cash. Something with Bitcoin in it always has to go aggressive. It's just gonna go boom, right? Like it's just gonna explode. So this is why I'm just sharing this with you, so that if it ever becomes something great, you know that you're already part of it. But if it fails out and then you know, okay, you only give out your email, you don't spend that much time on it, because simply it just takes like less than 5 minutes once off to just get your email in there, and then watch out for emails if they ever send any updates or anything that's happening, right? So that's basically how it works. If you want to buy the coins, you can actually buy on this platform. So the distribution and home, so that's basically the whole website. So the link is going to be down below if you want to get started. I recommend that you do it because there's nothing to lose. But if you got any questions, if you need help with anything, if something's not working out, just let me know in the comments down below. As I said, we also have a Telegram group where I can help you out with this. So if you want more details on this, I think this way I'm actually going to share the screenshot of my earnings with this airdrop as well. So I'm just gonna leave. I think I'm just gonna end this video right here. If you got any questions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Turn notifications and leave a comment down below. If you got any questions, then I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I really appreciate your time. So yeah, Bitcoin Black. Hope this project is gonna be massive. It's gonna be great. Anyways, go get your free coins, and let me know if you do. Hit that subscribe button, turn notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.